Yeah, I really wish that a red bird come with us.
Yes, the redbird is like our master. I love the redbirds. Oh, I think the redbirds died a few weeks ago, or I don't know, it's alive. I don't know what I'm talking about. But did you wanna find a redbird, green bird?
Okay, you're weird. Yeah, I want to put a new egg. Okay, I will wait 9 months here.
White bird, where is the red bird?
Is in this egg.
Huh?
Is in this egg.
Oh, and where? Oh no. Oh, I forget what I would say.
You're really weird. I can't wait the 9 months. I will
When he was born?
in 9 months, like a baby human.
But I can wait seconds more. I want that he born now.
Okay, Redbird! Get out of your egg room. No! Da, 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 da.
Oh, where is Ed? Oh, sorry guys, really.
Wow, but you are, I don't understand the born of this guy.
Oh yes. Well, I'm the red bird.
Yes, we know.
I come from the little egg that you say. That you saw a few seconds ago. I'm the one who born for the egg.
Yes, we know that. That egg was very
Shut up.
very rough, like a crab.
Now that I'm the red bird, I will command all you. Okay, stupid birds, form a troop, and we can defeat the stupid pigs.
Yes, sir. Dun, 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 dun.
Now, troopers, we have to kill the king pig. Are you ready, troopers? Are you ready, white bird?
Yes, sir.
And you, green bird?
Yes, sir.
And you, black bomb?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have to go and find the king pig.
But we don't know where is he.
The golden eggs will give us clues to know where is he.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's go, troopers. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yeah, baby.
Hey, sir, we detected. Sir, I found a bridge that takes to the kingdom of the king pig.
Really?
Yes, it's really. And where is the green bird?
He's boomerang class.
Okay.
Or maybe he's eating pizza. Well, let's go. Yay!
This bridge is so unstable. I will cross the bridge first, then you red, and then you white. Capiche? Okay, you can pass.
Okay.
I will throw me. Yeah.
Okay, I'm the last. Yay!
Yay. Fun.
Now we have to kill that stupid pig.
Yes.
Yes. And where is Redbird?
I don't know.
I am here. Okay. Okay, Redbird, let's go. Okay, we find you, stupid king pig.
Finally.
Oh yes, I will put a new egg.
Oh, yes.
What the
I
hell?
want to kill you with my egg.
What the hell? It's not an egg. It's a sharpener. It's a sharpener.
Yes, I don't know why I throw a sharpener from my ass. Ouch! Oh, ouch!
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.